Welcome! In this tutorial, we will explain the related substances functionality in visionCATS, which enables the quantification of impurities by applying the calibration model of a designated main substance. This approach is commonly used in pharmaceutical analysis, where the main substance represents the active pharmaceutical ingredient, or API, and impurities are classified as related substances. The analytical workflow consists of three sequential steps. First, quantification of the main substance across an appropriate calibration range. Second, quantification of related substances, typically present at lower levels. And third, calculation of impurity amounts using the calibration curve established for the main substance. Let's begin by opening an analysis file. Navigate to the Chromatography tab and review the track assignment table to ensure all tracks are configured correctly. Next, open the Data tab. Verify the chromatogram and confirm that all labels are displayed correctly. Within the image settings, use the Spot Amp function to adjust contrast. This will improve the visibility of the bands and make further analysis more precise. To continue, open an available evaluation tab, or click the plus icon to add a new evaluation tab to the analysis. Within the definition section of the evaluation, the Related Substances field can be accessed via the Advanced Options button. Three operational modes are available in the Related Substances Parameters menu: Default, by dilution, and by volume. We begin with the by volume mode. This mode is used when a single vial is applied to multiple reference tracks at different volumes. A reference application with a defined impurity content is required, and results are expressed as a percentage relative to the reference quantity. Each evaluation allows the designation of one main substance. Additional substances can be assigned as related or none. Because related substances rely on the calibration function of the main substance, their individual calibration parameters are not displayed. Start by entering the main substance and related substance data into the substance table. Then, switch to the integration step. Carefully review the peak assignments and adjust them if necessary to ensure accurate integration. Alternatively, peak assignment can also be completed in the substance assignment step, where chromatograms and tracks are shown in a different layout. Next, move to the calibration step. This section displays the calibration curve and function. Verify the correlation coefficient and adjust the regression mode if required. Finally, open the Results step to view the calculated related substance results. Return to the Definition step to change the Related Substances parameter mode. In default mode, the calibration curve of the main substance is directly applied to the related substances. Check the data in the substance table and make any required adjustments. Then, repeat each evaluation step to generate the recalculated related substance results. To demonstrate the by dilution mode, it is necessary to open another demo file in the Explorer window. The by dilution mode is applicable when the sample undergoes one or more dilution steps. Each dilution is linked to a specific vial ID defined as a reference, and the corresponding dilution factor is included in the impurity calculation. Follow the familiar evaluation workflow in the application to obtain the calculated related substance results in by dilution mode. The Related Substances functionality in visionCATS enables robust and accurate impurity quantification by leveraging a validated calibration model for the main substance. This enhances analytical consistency, efficiency, and reliability. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.